back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing of a parcel that I bought something from Daraz. So yeah, let's open it right now. But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you. So as you can see, it was a ludo board. You'll see the full board in a minute once I remove all the packaging. So let's open up the pack of gottis and see if any of them are broken. They were a little bit broken, they all had holes in them, but not too much, so they're still usable. So that was everything. I hope you enjoyed my little video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!